Hello students, I hope you all are fit and healthy. Okay, today we will start the new chapter, that is the respiration. Okay, so what is the mean of respiration? To start the chapter respiration, know about the basic concept of the respiration. That is, energy is needed by living as well as non-living things to do the different type of the activities. Without energy, they stop doing work. Okay, so our body needs energy to carry on its activity, right? So what is the respiration? So respiration is a process in which food, that is in the form of the glucose, and we get the after digestion process. Okay, so after the process of digestion, the food in the form of the glucose is broken down in the presence of oxygen and to release the energy with carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so respiration is a process in which food that is present in the glucose form is broken down in the presence of oxygen and to release energy. Okay, so digested food ग्लूकोज के फॉर्म में, that is plus oxygen, and to make the energy in the form of the ATP, and the waste product, that is the carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so the food we eat is broken down into the simpler substances during the digestion, and after the digestion, the wall of intestine and carried by the blood to different parts of the body. Okay, so after the process of digestion, respiration, in the process of respiration, glucose is oxidized. Oxidized means in the presence of oxygen to release energy, and waste product, that is the carbon dioxide and water. So the characteristics of respirations are, that is, firstly food is used up, second one is the energy is produced, and third one is gases, exchange of gases. Okay, so we take oxygen in the process of respiration and release carbon dioxide. So firstly food is used up, and then energy is produced, and the gases of exchange of gases. Okay, so this is the process of respiration. Basically respiration is the process to common all plants and animals both. Okay, so respiration is very important process. In the absence of respiration, plant and animals can't survive. Okay, so it is the process whereby living organism produce energy, okay, from the food that we eat. The food that is in the form of the glucose oxidized, it means in the presence of oxygen it broken down, and the wall of intestine absorb it and carried out into the blood and release energy and produce the waste material just like carbon dioxide and the water. So this energy is necessary for all various life activity. Okay, and oxygen is required for this process, and carbon dioxide is formed as a waste. Okay, so this is the process of respiration in which digested food that come after the process of digestion and in the form of the glucose. Okay, so in the presence of the oxygen it can broken down into the simpler substances and release the energy in the form of the ATP, and waste products are formed, that is the carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so this is the basically process of respiration. Okay, and the energy is stored in small special molecules, that is called the ATP. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. It is the full form of ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. Okay, so this is the process of respiration. Okay students, goodbye.